Are you planning to create any event, conference, or meeting for your business, yet you are totally confused which plugins you should use to do it? Well, here's the solution. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we will going to discuss about this thing, that which plugins you should use to create events, calendars, for meetings, sessions, everything. Let's jump into the topic. Spoiler alert. We have selected these plugins based on some criteria. Number one is resource availability, which means blog, tutorial, and so on. And then the rating, which means the active users who had used it already or who is using it, they give the rating. And also counting the active users. I mean, currently how many people are using this plugin. Our very first recommendation is the event calendar. This is one of the famous plugin in the WordPress directory because it has currently 700k. Can you imagine 700k active user and also has a rating of 4.3 out of 5. This plugin has a massive feature. It has all kind of features for hosting any kind of event, from managing to marketing events, ticketing and RSVP, importing events, mobile application, and what's on. The events calendar is most trusted as it's one of the oldest event management plugin in WordPress. So now the next one is the Eventin. This plugin is made for hosting event, conference and sessions and so on. The Eventin has more than 10k active users along with 4.9 rating out of 5. Guess what? Definitely it's a big plugin. Eventin comes with both the online and offline event features. You can create single, multiple and recurring events. Eventin has all the features you need like QR codes, attendee management, recurring events and unlimited schedule creating options. They have reasonable pricing including the lifetime deal. The best part of this plugin is support. They have nearly 100% 5-star rating due to the support quality. Now the next one is Event Manager. The Event Manager is one of the most popular plugins because the plugin has more than 90,000 plus users along with 4.3 rating out of 5. Events Manager also supports both the online and offline events. They come with single, recurring and long, which means multi-day event registration. It has a booking system, multiple ticketing, analysis on the events and multi-slide supported. Now our next recommendation is WP Event Manager. It has more than 20,000 active users. Since it has many options, that's why it became popular in a very short time, and it has 4.5 rating out of 5. The plugin comes with a calendar, ticketing and powerful WordPress tool to manage your events from the front as well as the back end. It has lightweight and scalable plugin that helps you to implement a full-featured event management system within WordPress for both live and virtual events. Well, the next one has almost the similar name of the previous one. It's the WP Events Manager, not the Event Manager. The previous one was Event Manager. This one is the WP Events Manager. Well, this is also a very popular plugin. It has 30,000 active users. You can imagine 30,000 active users along with 3 rating out of 5. WP Events Manager is a robust WordPress event management plugin that comes with most important features of an event website. It helps you to manage all of your events and sell your tickets online. You can control your users, tickets, and currency. Moreover, the plugin supports multiple payment gateways. Now, our next recommendation is Eventprime. It has more than 1,000 active users along with 4.9 rating out of 5. Eventprime is an easy-to-use modern WordPress event calendar plugin. With this plugin, you can easily add new events to your website with a few clicks. Just pick a date on the event calendar in the WordPress dashboard area and start creating your event, publishing free as well as paid events by enabling booking from Eventprime's event setting. Now I'm talking about Event One. This is also a very good plugin because more than 3,000 users are actively using it. And the most interesting part about this plugin is more than 61,000 premium version have already been sold in the market of this plugin. So it's very interesting plugin, I guess. Eventon is an event calendar plugin that supports the creation of event with various configuration in just a few clicks. It allows you to create unlimited events with unlimited colors and unlimited type of categories. The unique interactive shortcode generator of Eventon Lite helps you to add event calendars with various configuration effortlessly on any page, product or post, and it is built into Gutenberg block. So once again, I'm telling you the recommendation we gave you already. Number 1, the event calendar. Number 2, Eventing. Number 3, Events Manager. Number 4, WP Event Manager. Number 5, WP Events Manager. Number 6, Event Prime. And the final one is Eventon. So in this video, we are not focusing on the cons of these plugins because all of these products are getting updated frequently. So for the latest update of this plugin, you can check their official websites, and also all the links are available in the description below. So viewers, I hope this will make your work easier. Stay connected with us because we are coming with more exciting videos for you. Till then, bye bye.